Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another foundation review. And today's foundation is by Benefit. It's the Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. And I have picked the shade number 3. And speaking of shade, wow, what a shit foundation shade range. Huh. Sorry, I probably shouldn't sworn at the foundation shade range. But how disappointing. It's like, I can't remember exactly the number of shades, but if you go on the website, you'll see it's like very little, what, 10? I don't know. But it's very, very surprising. It's just because it's such a beautiful, wow, beautiful foundation. I've tested before as usual. Gorgeous. It's a beautiful, hydrating, staying all day, weightless, all the good things you can think of a foundation. This is really nice. I mean, I'll quickly read you off the back what it says. So happiness is a brighten, hydrating, flawless looking complexion. Photochromatic pigments instantly adapt to brighten skin in any lighting. Check. Flower acids help boost radiance. Check. Hyaluronic acid helps keep skin hydrated. Check. 12-hour long wear. Check. Medium coverage. Check. Everything that this foundation claims to be and do is right. I've tried it. It's really good. But hey, we're here to review the foundation. Let's keep to makeup application. This is what the foundation looks like outside of the box. As I said, I've picked the shade number 3, which is a nice neutral kind of beige color. I do have down my usual skincare by Origins, the Mega Mushroom line, and also Prepped and Primer Skin with a vitamin-rich face base by Bobbi Brown. And what else? Oh yes, I've done my eyes. Probably you won't be able to see, but it's very, very soft, like very light brown and a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of mascara. I thought, why not? This time I'm just gonna do it. Sorry, don't mind my ugly spots. Ugh. One pump on the back of my hand and see how much I can achieve by doing that. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender to apply it. I can already tell you that one pump has a lot of product. It's quite thick, but as I said in the intro, it's a beautiful foundation. Wow. Okay. It does look glowy on camera, but it's actually not glowing. It's actually a very nice, pleasant, natural finish. It sets itself, but it's not drying. It's not that kind of drying setting itself. It's actually, as the foundation claims to be, is quite hydrating, and that's because of the hyaluronic acid that it has in it. Here we go. So this is the foundation applied. As I said, everything that this foundation claims to be and do is right. I mean, I have nothing else to add. Whatever it says is what it is. It's a beautiful coverage, beautiful lightweight feeling, very hydrating, very natural effect for a very slight hint of glow. And wow. You need to set this foundation very lightly. I wouldn't go overboard with powder because I didn't see my oils come through as much as on the foundation I've used before. For example, the Le Beige by Chanel. This one keeps your skin quite fresh. I think the hyaluronic acid inside keeps the skin very hydrating and it doesn't look oily at all, even towards the end of the day. I did my usual face wipe test, and at the end of the day I still had a good amount of foundation left on my skin. It doesn't emphasize my pores. It's actually quite nice and natural. Of course I do have pores, I'm human, but it doesn't emphasize them, which is awesome. Sometimes I wonder, like, I want like Benefit, so well known for their amazing Hoola bronzer and so well known for their brow products, and I'm like, and you can't release another 20 shades in between 1, 2 and 3, you know what I mean? But But yeah, I'm gonna use the Hoola bronzer, of course, as we were talking about benefit. I'm not gonna use the Rockabye blush this time. This, for everybody that follows my video knows that this is like my go-to palette for like every day. It's like all used, you can tell. I do want to use one of the Laura Mercier blushes that I still haven't managed to use yet, which is the one in strawberry. So what I'm going to do is Hoola bronzer and then the strawberry blush. So the Hoola bronzer, as we all know by now, cult favorite, is a gorgeous, gorgeous matte bronzer. Look at that. Wow. I am speechless. This foundation is awesome. Into blush, the Laura Mercier in strawberry. Nice subtle pink. What a pretty blush. Yes. And this is it. We're done. This is a full face. I wouldn't call it a full face of benefit, but as many products as I said. A cat. Oh, the cat is eating grass. Must have tummy ache. Oh well. Okay, sorry. Final thoughts? Beautiful. Awesome. Go for it foundation. It's truly an amazing foundation. I mean, you can't look any better than this. This is even better than some of the high-end foundations that I've reviewed before and that I own that I still got to share on YouTube. But it's gorgeous. It's truly an amazing foundation. Please benefit, improve your foundation shade range with this beautiful formula because it's totally worth it. Awesome. Okay, so we are towards the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful in a way. Let me know in the comment down below what you think. If you use the foundation, if you use all the benefit products that I've showed you before, how do you feel about it? But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also, if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And also follow me on my social media, mainly on Instagram, and you can find me there at Glamstract, but Glamstract anywhere, everywhere. While you're here on YouTube, why don't you just subscribe to my YouTube channel? Just down here is the red button to subscribe. It's free. Hopefully, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.